Hi boys and girls, today you're going to do a New Year math review activity. On the math table, you will grab a set of two papers, one that looks like this, that is the question and answer page, and then another that looks like this. What you're going to do is work through all of the problems that you see here on the page first. You can use the back side if you need some bigger spaces to do some of your area models and some of your work. And then write the answer where there's space in the box. Next to each box, you see that there's a number. So this says number 1. So when you find the answer to 4 times 60, you will then write the answer here. You'll have all your answers filled out. And then you're going to look to see where the answer to 4 times 60 is on this sheet. So if you decide the answer to 4 times 60 is 400, and then number 2, you think the answer is 630, then you're going to draw a line from the number 1 to the number 2 because they are in the same box, the same section here together. So these two answers get a line drawn to connect their dots. Then section B, you connect the two answers that you have here that you find on your answer page. You're going to connect this one to this one. So if you think 500 and 635 are the answers, then you draw a line from here to here. And so you're going to complete this connect the dots page after you have solved all of these questions. And then once you complete the shape that is on this page, you're going to go ahead and color it. We're going to mount it on a colorful piece of paper and hang it in the hallway for everyone to see.